get the upper hand while you're still pretty. But you know what we're like. No, they will never respect you the way you want them to respect you. I think it's very well understood, but I'm gonna hold on to you. I'm gonna hold on to you. Out shell, a dead opera house. You give yourself to them now in a game of cat and mouse. From the storyboard to the bedroom scene, through 11 world wars, all the people you have been will